So many Google employees use the unreleased products and devices for testing in the real world, and sometimes they get too excited they don't pay much attention to the surroundings, and this ends up with someone snapping the images of that product and leaking them. So this right here is the Pixel 4 XL spotted in an airplane, and I know it's not the best image you have ever seen, but the website named Teen Tech who posted these images tells a couple of things about the Pixel 4 XL that you should know. First, he says the bottom chin was as small as the side bezel, which was really small, so you can expect the same design like the iPhone XS Max, but instead of a notch there was a full forehead which was smaller than the Pixel 3 by a few millimeters. Also the earpiece was smaller. And that employee was using the white black Pixel 4 XL, it's more like the Panda Pixel 2 XL, which I really like in color options. And second, he says the camera application was having a brand new user interface, so we may see the next generation Google camera with the Pixel 4/XL. And third, the face unlock was really fast. It was as fast as the Huawei Mate 20, and again this was an early software, so it's gonna be way faster with the final software and design. Get ready for some amazing features, and these things definitely sounds positive. I'm really excited. Also, it's not the first time we are seeing the Pixel 4 in real life. The case is having 4 cutouts, 1 likely for LED flash and 3 for cameras, and this image was taken a month back. This guy is using Google's Fabric case. So all in all, leaks are getting better and better, and we may see the more clear leaks in near future. Now next major news coming in from Reddit r/Google Pixel. A user reports his friend has been using the Pixel 4/XL, and he says that yes, it is having the 90Hz screen, but you can turn it down to 60Hz. That's great, and it do eats battery. Again, early software, so we cannot blame this thing. And about the RAM management, 6 gigs of RAM is fine for multitasking. He says it's better than the Pixel 3/XL, and he further says the camera is not having any wide angle lens, it's just the telephoto lens, which is quite disappointing. I mean, they should have gone with the wide angle lens instead of telephoto one. And he will reveal more information really soon, so get ready for some crazy information, maybe some images. And at last, news coming from XGEA, Google is working on DSLR-like camera software. It's not a module or attachment. This thing was mistaken by 9to5 Google. It's just a camera software with the DSLR-like features. Again, summing up the important features, 5.7 inches Full HD Plus panel for the Pixel 4 and 6.3 inches Quad HD panel with the Pixel 4 XL. Both these are having OLED panel with 90Hz refresh rate. 2800 mAh/3700 mAh battery, Snapdragon 855, it's not the Plus, 6 gigs of RAM and max 128 gigs of internal storage, solely radar Titanium M chipset for amazing things. Yeah, that's all. Like, subscribe, please turn on the notifications for the latest news, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.